Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and tonight I'm going to do a sirloin tip roast. That's what they call it anyway. Looks like a sirloin tip steak to me. I've already got some of that coffee barbecue rub that I made in the last video left over using Caldwell coffee, our niece and nephew's coffee. And it's been sitting for probably an hour, so I can't wait. I've got my meat stick in, and I've got my Pit Boss Tailgater up to 250 degrees, so we're ready to roll. We're not only going to stop there, we're going to make it a surf and turf. Yep, all shrimp, no veggies. Here's my coffee rub. Anyway, for that shrimp, for the surf and turf, we're going to be using some of Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. I don't have any gator, but shrimp will work for sure. So anyway, the sirloin tip is going in right now. The shrimp will go in towards the end. We're going to bring this up to an internal temp of 135 and pull it, let it rest. It may go to 140. Will probably be about a medium rare. All right, so let's get this in the Pit Boss and get this going. There we go. We're just going to close the lid, leave this in here until that meat stick tells us it's at 135. So we will see you when it hits 135. Okay, so my meat stick is currently reading at 128. So you saw me before 135 because I got to get these shrimp in here. So let's get these shrimp. I'm going to put the Uncle Steve's Gator Shake on there right now, and then we will get them in the grill and let it go on up to 135. It just went to 129. Okay, let's get these things rubbed up and in the grill. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I've got some Crisco spray butter flavor and get these on the one side of the shrimp to help the Uncle Steve's Gator Shake stick to it. And we're just going to give it a good little dose. And of course, we're going to flip these over and do the same thing. Okay, just like this. Get your Gator Shake on there. And these are ready to go in the grill. Oh, look at that sirloin tips looking good. Let's get our Gator Shaked shrimp in there. And there we go. We'll see you in a few degrees. So my meat stick is going off at 135. So let's get this off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take it off and I'm going to wrap it, let it stay wrapped up in foil for about 20 minutes, and then we'll cut into it. I just checked the shrimp real quick and they're not quite done. So anyway, let's get this off. We'll wrap it. We'll let the shrimp cook. We'll feast. Right. Let's take that off. Look at that shrimp. Looks like it's about done. We'll let it go for another 5 minutes or so. Yummy. Just set that right there. I'm going to get that meat stick out of there quick. Okay, just like that. Now we're going to wrap it up. And we're going to let it set for about 20 minutes. Okay, it's time to get the shrimp out. Look at that. All right, this has been resting for 20 minutes. Look at that. Great color. Let me just move this over. The grain runs this way, so I'm going to turn it this way. And then we're just going to slice it up. You want to slice this against the grain. This is a sirloin tip, so it's not the most tender, so you want to go against the grain. So we're just going to take a few slices. It's pretty tender. Look at that. Right there is the perfect medium rare. Can't wait to try this. First, I got to get it sliced up. Look at that. Man. Put it on a plate with some green beans and shrimp. Let's go taste this. Okay, how about that? Top sirloin roast that looked like a steak, cooked to 135. Looked delicious. Now let's taste it. Can't wait to try it with this coffee barbecue rub on it. Just brought a couple little pieces out. Look at that. All right. Man. Sirloin tip isn't the most tender steak, but this is actually really good, pretty tender. And that coffee barbecue rub, I'm telling you, it just adds a savory flavor to it. Doesn't taste like coffee, but it's amazing. So let's try an Uncle Steve's Gator Shake on shrimp. Man, that's really good. It cooked for about an hour, or maybe an hour and 5 minutes, something like that. Anyway, 250 degrees. I did use some Kingsford cherrywood pellets today. And this shrimp is awesome. Steak is awesome. Surf and turf, man. It's about 38 degrees out here, so it's a little cold. I'm gonna go inside. We're gonna go feast. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a try. Try out that coffee barbecue rub. It's really good. I'll put a video thing at the end with my little shorts on how I made it. All right. All right. Surf and turf. Surf and surf. We'll see you on the next video.